it comes out,
I'm getting this whole party. It's straightening as
I hate that song.
Well, you're gonna have to live with it. I'm sorry.
Wait, is that bubbly shit?
Ooh.
Oh, that's nasty.
Me being hurt.
I love this song.
Yes. Hi.
I'm pretty hair. Look.
Yes, very nice. I have pretty hair too. Only mine looks like crappy right now. Ha. Mira! Watch out! Mira. Ha 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 ha.
But you take me when I was a baby. He looked at me.
That's Erica! That's her idiot brother Josh. And then that's all of them. Rachel included, the animal.
And the animal. My animal.
She's adorable, okay? She likes me, so she's a lot nicer to me than you. Okay.
Flowers, that's like the best thing ever.
Well, she was like, meh. Shut up, bitch.
What do you want to do?
Hi, Becca! Hi, you're my best friend in the whole world. I love you. I have an undying love for you. Hearts! Ha! 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 What did Lucy write? Let's see what Lucy wrote. Hey! You changed my name. It's supposed to be Ling Ho. You loser.